It is pasta salad season, my friends, one of my favorite times of year, and I'm gonna show you how to make two of my favorite pasta salads. For one, a Mediterranean pasta salad with marinated tofu, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh basil. And we're gonna make an avocado pesto pasta salad. Yes, that is a mouthful to say. Oh, and it is so good when you, the taste is the bomb. It's my favorite. So that one is made with avocado that's blended with pumpkin seeds, garlic, lemon juice, basil, and it makes the creamiest, dreamiest sauce for this delicious pasta salad. Both of these recipes are amazing for meal prep because they get tastier as the days go by. And they're perfect for cookouts and barbecues and potlucks and all the stuff when you need to show up with something easy to make but delicious and that will impress the other people. So let's jump in. Start by cooking your pasta. Any short pasta will do, but for this I love fusilli. While the pasta cooks, prepare your veggies to roast or grill. Then make the dressing / marinade. Combine red wine vinegar, spices like dried herbs, salt and black pepper, and olive oil. This will serve as the marinade for the tofu feta, and for the best results, make the marinade and let the tofu marinate overnight before making the full pasta salad. Prepare the rest of the Mediterranean pasta salad ingredients. Slice olives, chopped basil, and then add the cooked pasta, roasted veggies, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, basil, and chopped tomatoes to the marinated tofu. Toss well and allow it to sit and marinate for at least another 30 minutes before serving. I'm in love with this avocado pesto. It's delicious on everything from sandwiches to raw veggies, but it is my favorite on this avocado pesto pasta salad. Add ripe avocado, fresh basil, pumpkin seeds, garlic, salt, lemon juice, and olive oil to the food processor and blend until creamy. Some chunks of basil are okay, but you don't want any big pieces of pumpkin seeds. Now prep the veggies. Roast or grill asparagus and summer squash. Then slice fresh tomatoes. Coat the cooked pasta, I'm using gemelli here, with the avocado pesto. Stir it well and season to taste with more salt if needed. Add the tomatoes, roasted veggies, and basil and toss. This might be simple, but it is loaded with flavor and amazing texture. I recommend making both salads at the same time. That way you can serve them like half and half because they're really different, but they complement each other so well. And they're so easy to make. So why not? You guys are gonna love both of these pasta salads. The recipes are on my blog at sweetpotatosoul.com, and I'm gonna leave some links in the description box down below as always. Let me know what you think. Be sure to leave these recipes a 5-star review and a comment if you love them. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a future video. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.